Hi there. In this quick video we are going to be taking a look at this clothes protection from dust, mostly I presume, for clothes, and I think it actually can protect a bit from tears, just in case something tries to scratch your more sensitive clothes. This in theory at least a bit protects. So let's get unwrapping this thing up and unfolding it, because unpacking was already done by my wife, which she liked a lot, so she really loves these things. And I must say, I think there are 3 of them in a set, and 2 smaller ones and a really long one. Let me get up to give you a better glimpse. This is the smaller version. So there is an even longer one, which is good for really long dresses. I will overlay on top of this some measurements of the sizes that they have, and that should be done. No zippers, no nothing. This just comes like a bag on top of your clothes that you are putting on a hanger, and the hanger comes out of here. And yeah, you can basically not do anything to these things. And they are polyethylene and ethylene vinyl acetate plastics. Don't know if that means anything to anybody. Obviously it's matte white with the white painted bubbles on the outside, and that's about it. The missus already used 2 of them and will be using this one, and I'll get back to you with some info on how these things seem to last over time, but I can tell you from the start she really likes them. So, as you can see, my wife has been using a few of these for a while now. She's really happy with them, absolutely no complaints whatsoever. So yeah, I can recommend them by now. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, and see you in the next video. Bye.